In the heart of the bustling metropolis of Dubai stands a monumental marvel that embodies the city's relentless pursuit of opulence and innovation, the Dubai Mall. As one of the world's largest and most renowned shopping and entertainment destinations, Dubai Mall has become an iconic landmark that not only offers an unparalleled shopping experience, but also a myriad of captivating activities and attractions that cater to visitors of all ages. In this video, we delve into the history, attractions, and experiences that make Dubai Mall a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists alike. Dubai Mall officially opened its doors in November of 2008 and was an integral part of the iconic Burj Khalifa complex. The mall's development was driven by the vision of creating an all-encompassing hub that would merge luxury shopping, entertainment, and leisure under one roof. Over the years, Dubai Mall has surpassed its initial ambitions and has grown into a global phenomenon, drawing millions of visitors annually. Fascinating facts about Dubai Mall. Spanning over 5.9 million square feet, Dubai Mall is a colossal haven for shopaholics and adventure enthusiasts alike. With over 1,200 shops, it hosts a stunning array of luxury brands, high street fashion, and innovative retail concepts. However, it's not just the shopping that draws the crowds. The mall's attractions are just as mesmerizing. Dubai Aquarium, an underwater zoo. Within the expanse of Dubai Mall lies the illustrious Dubai Aquarium, a monumental tank that shelters an astonishing tapestry of marine existence. As visitors traverse a translucent tunnel, they find themselves engulfed in an aquatic realm, teeming with sharks, rays, and abundance of fish species. Dubai Mall's Dubai Aquarium stands not only as an attraction, but as a subaqueous paradise that ensnares the imaginations of both the young and the young at the principal reservoir, one of the largest suspended aquariums globally, houses a striking panorama of marine life, encompassing rays, sharks, and a rich diversity of species. Strolling through the submerged passageway, visitors are enveloped in a profound sense of wonder, encircled by these majestic creatures. In immediate proximity to the aquarium lies the underwater zoo, a realm inviting visitors on a journey to explore an assortment of ecosystem and to engage with inhabitants such as penguins and crocodiles. This realm becomes a juncture where knowledge intermingles with expedition, creating an educational odyssey that renders it as enriching sojourn for families enthusiasts in the natural. Dubai Ice Rink. For those in search of respite from the scorching desert sun, the Dubai Ice Rink emerges as an oasis of cold delight. Spanning an Olympic-sized expanse, this frosty playground offers an assortment of diversions, ranging from relaxed ice skating sessions to introductory lessons for novices. Kidzania. Dubai Mall extends its enchantment to embrace its youngest guest with utmost care. Among its treasures, its Kidzania, an interactive edutainment marvel designed to usher children into the diverse realm of professions, cultivating qualities such as creativity, responsibility, and collaborative spirit. This realm of imagination empowers young minds to don the hats of pilots, chefs, and even firefighters, enabling them to traverse a spectrum of vocations within a secure and captivating medium. Dubai Fountain Show, a symphony of water and light. Nestled at the foot of the iconic Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Fountain cast an enchanting spell over onlookers through its captivating water choreography. A synchronized dance of water, illuminated by a myriad of lights and accompanied by enthralling music, crafts an authentic spectacle. This captivating presentation of water, light, and melody serves as a captivating prelude to the myriad of marvels awaiting exploration within the mall. Sit against the backdrop of the majestic Burj Khalifa. The Dubai Fountain Show is a constant fascination that enchants visitors both during the day and under the veil of night. Real cinema. Dedicated to the discerning taste of movie aficionados, Real cinema within Dubai Mall elevates the art of cinema into an immersive encounter, boasting an array of screens, plush seating, and the most cutting-edge audiovisual innovations. Patrons are enveloped in unprecedented comfort as they indulge in the latest blockbusters and timeless cinematic gems. In the world of cinematic thrills, Real Cinema, Dubai Mall stands as a pinnacle of technological advancement, seamlessly emerging state-of-the-art equipment with opulent seating arrangements. The cinematic heaven delivers an experience that not only complements the mall's grandeur, but enhances it. Dubai VR Park. Venturing into the realm of virtual reality, Dubai VR Park delivers a diverse range of virtual experiences that cater to adventure seekers, gamers, and those looking to explore new realities. From heart-pounding adventures to mind-bending puzzles, the VR Park offers an escape from the ordinary. Fine dining and culinary delights. Beyond its allure of avid shoppers and adventure enthusiasts, Dubai Mall unfolds as a sanctuary of Epicurean enthusiasts. Within its expanse, an array of fine dining establishments, cozy cafes, and diverse eateries converge, offering a global tapestry of culinary experiences. Whether one seeks gourmet indulgences or swift bites, this mall caters to every taste bud with precision. The Human Waterfall. This stunning sculpture of beautifully iconic and utterly Instagrammable, spread over two large cylindrical walls, 30 meters in diameter and 24 meters high, spanning the 3 floors of the Dubai Mall. It is one of the most eye-catching features. Hysteria. Hysteria is a haunted house experience like no other. Explore through a 15-room mansion simulator. Said certainly not for the faint-hearted. This extreme fear experience is only for thrill seekers and adrenaline junkies. You'll find it at the end of Real Cinema and next to Kinsania. Dubai Mall stands as a living testament to the visionary spirit that defines Dubai, masterfully harmonizing opulence, entertainment, and innovation to create an unparalleled experience. From the mesmerizing Dubai fountain show that ignites awe, to the captivating Dubai Aquarium that unfolds an underwater symphony, and the exhilarating Dubai ice rink that turns moments into memories. Every nook of the mall beacons with a distinct adventure. Whether it's pursuing the latest fashion trends, immersing oneself in the realism of virtual reality, or sipping a delightful meal, Dubai Mall encapsulates the very essence of contemporary Dubai.